Hi everybody, my name is Thomas, and today I'm going to be showing you my demonstration project. Really quick, before I dive into it, I would like to show you the software that I'm using. It's called Obs Studio, and it works on Windows, Mac, and Linux. I used to use this when I streamed on Twitch. It's great because you can actually customize the bit rates and the codecs that you're using to encode the input from your audio and video devices. So if you have certain resolutions or frames that you want to run at, this is great software to use. So anyway, over to the homework. I chose question 3 of chapter 4, and in this question it states that cans of soda vary slightly in weight. Given below are the measured weights of 7 cans in pounds. Find the mean and median of these weights. Which, if any, of these weights would be considered an outlier? What are the mean and median weights if the outlier is excluded? So I picked this question because it does give us a little bit of data to work with, and we have to answer multiple questions, so I figured it would be a great example to use StatCrunch with. So if you click this little pop open box, it's going to take all these data values here, and you can either inject them into Excel, you can copy them to your clipboard, or you can open in StatCrunch, which is what we're going to do today. So you can see here that it injected these values automatically into column 1. And for the first question, we need to find the mean of these data values. So we're going to click Stat, Summary Stats, and select Columns. We're going to select the first column because it's the only one with data values. And we need to find the mean and median. So we're going to click Mean. We can scroll down a little bit, hold Control or Shift, but in this case we're just going to click Control and select Median. So now we're going to compute the mean and the median for column 1. Very quickly gives us our answers, and in this case, Cortana popping up there, and in this case the mean is going to be 0.81219. The reason I say 9 is because we're going to be rounding that 8 up to a 9 due to the 5. So now we can click check answer. Well done. The next one is going to ask for the median, which we've already calculated for, and we can simply plug that data value in there. The median is going to be 0.8159. Check answer. Excellent. So the next part asks, which if any of these weights would be considered an outlier? Select the correct choice below and, if necessary, fill in the answer box to complete your choice. So if we look at these data values here, we can see that all of them actually start with 0.81. So they all have that as the first 2 decimal places. The one that stands out to me visually is 0.79. That's quite a bit below, at least in those terms there. So what we're going to do is say that the outlier is 0.7902. Check answer. Fantastic. And now we need to find the mean with the outlier excluded. So what we can do is just simply delete that data value. And then we can run the same summary stats again using the renewed data values. So we're going to select mean and compute. And now the mean without that data value is 0.81585. Looks great. Now we need to find the median with the outlier excluded. So we'll do the same thing here. Stat, summary stats, columns, column 1, and we'll scroll down to the median. Compute. And our median without the outlier is 0.8161. Check answer. So from this, we can see that the mean of all of the weights of the cans is 0.81239 pounds. The median is 0.8161 pounds, which is simply the middle value. The mean is the average. The outlier is 0.7914 pounds, so maybe there was a manufacturing defect with that can or something. The mean without the outlier, so the average weight, is 0.81588 pounds. And then the middle value without the outlier is 0.8162 pounds.